Hey guys, it's Jazz from HOGWORKZ. We are going to be installing these bag liners for the Lowrider ST and Sport Glide models. Alright guys, so tools you'll need for this: needle nose, T40, and your 1/2 inch wrench. Super easy process. You just need to take this off of here with your needle nose. Run it through here. Set it off to the side. Take your 1/2 inch, take these off. All right, you're gonna take your T40 and loosen this up. Remove the whole nutting. All right, so you're gonna wanna install your shock mount first, so you don't have to keep holding this up with your knee. Grab your liner, feed it through the bottom. Find the hole for your shock. Run the shock through. Press it down in here. And it should snap right into place. Get your liner all pushed in there. And all of our liners have two-sided tape. I start with the bottom ones, peel those off. Push them into place just below the bolts here. And then you work your way to the top. Start with this one. Should it fit snug up there? And then lastly, we got 4 other ones here. All right, we're gonna do the same thing on this side. Last one. And push it right into place. There you have it. All right, then we repeat the same process on the other side.